27,375. So, to find out the cube root of this number, let's use the estimation process. First, let's see. In this we have 6 digits. So, in this 6 digits, let's divide it into 2 parts. First 3 digits, let's take 2 as a part. The remaining digits are left over, that is 1 part. First we have taken 3 digits as 1 part. This is the 1 part, first part. The second part is remaining digits. There are also 3 digits. Second part. So, if we observe the first part of this number, 375. In this 375, we can observe that units place of this number is 5. Units place of this number is 5. When units place of a number is 5, what happens? You see, just if you take a number 5 into 5 into 5 equals 125. So if the cube of a number is 125, then must have a cube root of a number is 5 only. You can observe if a number is having 5 in its unit places, then that is a cube number of a cube, and then its square root must be 5 and units places. So here units places only just it's a 1 digit number. That's the reason it has only 1 digit, and itself is a 5. So then what happens? In this place, it must be 5, because when we multiply by 5 into 5 into 5, something cube of a number, then only we'll get so cube of that number. So if in this case is 5, then it must be the cube root is 5. So we have it in 5. So for one part, we found the cube number. For one part we found the cube number, this is a cube number. For one part only just cube root, it's a cube root for one part. So let's find out for other part also. Just you can see here 857, but 857, let's see the nearest cube root for these is 729 and 1000, because 729 is 9 cube and 10 cube. So because this number is nothing but 857, it lies between 729 and 1000. First, second part, and first one completed. Second part, 857 lies between 729 and 1000. So 729 is less than 857, is less than 1000. So 729 is what? Let's say 9 cube less than, it's a 9 cube. So 9 cube less than 857, less than 10 cube. So 857 lies between 9 cube and 10 cube. So what is the number we need to take from this? Is it's clear. Always we need to take, so it lies between two numbers. The cube root number lies between two numbers. Number lies between 9 cube and 10 cube. Always we take the smallest number among it. So here the smallest number is 9. So let's take only 9. The cube root of a number, combining these two digits, what is the number is called? 95. So 95 is the cube root of 8,57,375. So the cube root of 8,57,375. Cube root of 8,57,375 is 95. Which means that multiplying 95 into 95 into 95, get this number. So this is the concept of cube root. So we have taken, we got here z minus 1 is equal to 0. So z is equal to 1, and one more value is z squared plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. So let's find out the value of z in this term also. One of the value of z is 1. So other values we need to find out. So the cube roots of unity of z is this 1, and the other values we need to find out. So let's find out. We got z is equal to 1 and z square plus z plus 1 is equal to 0. So z is equal to 1 and z square plus z plus 1. So this is, if we observe this is z1, directly this is one of the root of unity, and when we find out value of z in these terms, z square plus z plus 1, actually this is in the form of quadratic equation. So let's compare with the quadratic equations. So ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So there is no coefficient 1 and 1. So the quadratic equation, when the roots of quadratic equation are x is equal to, we get x of x comma y, two roots will be getting minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we will be getting here, after substitution of a, b, c here, the value of b is minus 1 plus or minus b square is 1 square minus 4 into a into 6 is 1. The cube root, the square root, and the square root divided by 2a. So is equal to minus 1 plus or minus 1 square is 1 minus 4 plus square root divided by 2a. We now substitute the value of a. 2 into a is 1. So it's 2 only, same as it is. So let's write minus 1 plus or minus is minus 3 divided by 2. So when we simplify this part, so let's write this step again. Minus 1 plus or minus square root 3, square root of minus 3. So divided by 2. On this, here we have the two values, which is positive and negative. So let's find out both the values. So minus 1 plus square root of minus 3 divided by 2, and another value minus 1 minus square root of minus 3 divided by 2. So we got two values along with the 1. So this is value of z, another value of z, and another z is here. Z is 1, and the values of z are minus 1 plus or plus square root of minus 3 by 2, and z is equal to minus 1 minus square root of minus 3 by 2. So in this cube roots of unity, finally we got the three values, that is 1 and the value, this is minus 1 plus square root of minus 3 by 2, and there is minus value. So here one of the cube roots of unity is a real number. So one is real number, other two are imaginary numbers, because a real number and along with the imaginary number, so we call it complex number. So this is real and other are complex numbers. So the cube roots of unity are these three values. We got cube root of 1, cube root of unity is nothing but cube root of 1. So cube root of 1 can be written in this form, radical and bracket. So let's take cube root of 1 is equal to z. Let us assume that cube root of 1 is equal to z. We are discussing about cube roots of unity. So that's the reason we have taken cube root of 1. Unity is nothing but 1. So cube root of 1, let's take it as something, some value. So z we have taken, let's test z. Cube root of 1 is equal to z. Doing cubing on both sides. Cubing on both the sides, we get cube root of 1 is equals to z. So we need to do the cubes on both the sides. So whole power 3 and this is power 3. So we do that. So cube root of 1 is nothing but 3 power 1 by 3. As exponential notation we have written. So power to the power of 3 is equals to z cube. So it's in the form of a power n whole power n. So 1 power 1 to the power of 1 by 3 into 3. So that is equals to z cube. And so when we cancel 3 and 3, we get 1. 1 is equals to z cube. So z cube is equals to 1. So z cube is equals to 1. So in this, to transpose this 1 to left hand side, z cube minus 1 is equals to 0, and 1 can be written as z cube minus 1 cube. So we can observe one of the formula here. It's in the form of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube is the formula of a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So a minus b. So a minus b, in the place of a we have z minus 1 into z square plus a into b is z into 1. This b square is 1 square. So we have taken z minus 1 into z square plus z plus 1. Here there is a equals to 0. So write equals to 0. So when we have taken each term is equals to 0 here, z minus 1 is equals to 0 and z square plus z plus 1 is equals to 0. So z is equals to 1. Then we transpose and this is whole term is equals to 0. Then here we got the value of z. So let's find out the value of z square plus z plus 1.